Rho Alpha Sigma. Offense. Preamble of the Republican All-Star Supreme Clan Taylor White Chapter. We, the affiliates of Republican All-Star, swear to believe in our vision, to broaden our Supreme Clan, to our mission, empowering the unity and peace among youth, with the aid of God Almighty, as we give respect to those who are respectable and decent people, as we give pain to those who are disreputable people without violating, disobeying or abusing the 5 pillar laws of the star. Always bear in mind that today's youth is the hope of the future Republican All-Star. Are you one of us?